How to add a button in Squarespace. Quick and easy tutorial. Hi guys, welcome back. In this quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a button to your Squarespace website. So let's get into it. First of all, what you guys gonna do is you will open up squarespace.com and it will take you right here. You're gonna select the website you want to edit. It will take you to your Squarespace editor, and this is our editor right here. I can edit the website now. So you can see if we move our cursor around, it gives us different options to like add sections and more. I'm gonna actually find an empty section so that I can show you. Okay, so right here we have this section. Click on it and it will give you the option of add a block. In ad block, we have different options. We have text, images, videos, audio, newsletters, code, calendars, socials, and then we also have button right here. So you're gonna select the button option and it will add a button to your website. Now you can of course move it around to place it where you want it to be. I'm going to place it right here in the middle. You can also select the button type if you want it to be the primary button or a secondary button, like a linear one. Then we have a tertiary. So this is what it will look like. I'm going to go ahead and add like a primary button to just show you like a big button here. We can of course change the size of the button according to our requirements. That's actually really easy. So I'm gonna like add it here. Perfect. Place it in the middle. Now what we're gonna do is we're gonna click on edit option. In edit, we're gonna edit the text, what our button says. So I'm gonna add like watch more, and then we have to enter a link. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna enter copy a link of our YouTube channel and then paste it right here. You can also add a link to a YouTube video if you like. Once you have added the link, then you're going to go to design. In design, we have fit or fill. So of course you can adjust the size and the style. Then you can also select again what type of button you want to go for. And this way you can add a button to your Squarespace website. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up. Leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to YouTube channel.